Welcome to Vidyan Classroom. Today we are going to learn about 10-line essay on my pet dog. So let's start. I have a pet dog and its name is Shasha. He belongs to the male species and is a golden retriever breed dog. He looks very charming with long golden hair all over his body and has sparkling eyes. Sasa is too mild-natured and we rarely get to see his ferocious and angry howling cries. I love the moment he pounces on me right after returning home from school. Sasa is vigilant and stays alert in front of our main gate, especially at night. He loves my mom very much as she provides his favorite food and water at regular intervals. I enjoy going for morning and evening strolls with Sasa and playing ball games at the park. He helps me with small tasks like collecting the newspaper and watering the plants. Whenever I feel low, Sasa comes and licks my feet and expresses his love and care. Thank you.